So this is our boat that going to the island.
We are going to the island, one of the island in Cap, but look at our driver. Our driver is very young. I think he's only 14-year-old. And there's my birthday boy. And we're going to that island. We call it Rabbit Island. Oh my God! Oh! Here's the island. We're almost there.
So this is the island. It's very quiet because of this pandemic. So it's almost no one here. I mean, no tourists. I saw only like 3 foreigners in here. And this is going to our room in a very small house. Welcome to my home. So this is it. This is our room, a very simple one with a hammock outside in the terrace. And look at inside. I get to bed because I bring a guest friend.
For $20 at night. $20 one day. And the toilet. And the shower. And it's open air. Open air. And the view over there. The view in the beach. With my friend lying down there. Yay! So time check is 5:58. We're going to eat our dinner and then there is no electricity. I wanted to say no electricity, but here they don't have yet because here in the island the electricity is only 4 hours at night. Only at night. From 6 to 10 the light here. beach now, but we're going up there. I don't know what is in there. I'm going up to the jungle. Where's the jungle? The jungle, the jungle. What it says da?
I don't know. Is it English?
No, that's, I don't know. That's not English. That's kitty. Kitty, I don't know. So we're here.
Another side.
Another side of the island.
Yeah, another side of the island. Oh, on this side. Look, oh my God, look. Water very good.
Huh? Yeah.
Not a lot wind, huh? You see?
Oh yeah, not a lot of rain, but Eric cannot walk here.
Not very.
Look, there is more island over there.
Oh my God, look. Good, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Yes, what is this side? Oh, nice view.
Okay, Dada, we go back, Dada.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
She's crazy, huh?
Oh my God.
Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.